Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do the ceramic coating on a car. I've recently posted a video on how to clean the exterior of a car, DIY, use whatever you guys have at home. I'm not really heavy on that, different products and stuff, but whatever you guys can use, just use that. Now, today I'm gonna do ceramic coating, but for that, what we need to prepare the exterior first. The way we do it is, if your paint is not that smooth, then we need to do a clay bar. Now, clay bar uses a liquid. Now, the liquid that I'm going to use is either a glass cleaner, or you can use a bit of soap into the water, just dilute it, and then just use that as a liquid for your clay bar. Now, once the clay bar is completed, what clay bar normally does is it kind of takes all the contamination from the outer surface of your car's body, and then once that's all gone, what we need to do is we need to do the cut and polish. The cut and polish kind of get rid of all the swirl marks and stuff that we have on the paint. Just spray some liquid again. Yep, like so. Clay bar. Now use this motion first sideways, like so, and then good.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice.
Now just use a microfiber to wipe it all off. If you want to wash it, you can wash it as well. Not a big deal. I'm just gonna use microfiber so it's nice and easy, quick process. Yeah, so just apply and circular motion. Continue. Do this for whole your panel and ultimately all the car. Remove the polish that we added. Now just need to wipe it all down. Take a dry cloth and microfiber if you can, please. Just wipe it all. going to use some water to rinse. Just going to use chamois to dry the panel. Spray the thing. You can use isopropyl alcohol to remove the degreaser, or a grease, but I'm just going to use this. Pour some drops on your applicator. Use that on the surface. Now first I'm going to do horizontally and then vertically. Just going to go horizontal. It is advisable to do it in small sections. I normally do by this much section or by half feet by half feet area. Now wait for it to dry for about 60 or 70 seconds, and then once that's done, wipe it off. Now after that, another section. Just make sure you don't overlap or don't miss any sections. Alright, now looks like it's all dried, so I'm just going to use the microfiber cloth to wipe it all off. Nice. Just use your soft hands, not harsh. Okay. Now that section is done. Now we can't put any water on this section for at least one day. So I'm going to do the rest of it and just follow it how I'm doing it.
Primer coating, and I've let it dry for one day. This is what it looks like, the water droplets on the surface. It's not sticking to it.